When we talk about using a stick, most people mess up this one simple thing. This is a distance delivery system. People are here, they move in with their front leg, and then they do this. Now, they are not using the baton at all. They are getting to the range where the other person can hurt them, and they are stopping all the power with their own front leg. The further you get the hit to go to here, in the end, the better. Now I will change this a bit. I will move in to here and just deliver the hit. The technique itself, very much like I would be throwing a punch here, I'm throwing a punch here. So I'm letting this go, getting grip of the thing, having a little bit of here, so if it comes to a very close range, you can use it just like a hammer punch. And then always remember that there needs to be the continuation movement depending on what sort of result that you get. So now, if we think of a situation, Hedy moves away, I'm trying to hit her there, I need to be able to continue and using this, not necessarily as a club swinging, but to make room to actually then finish the target. So always when we're training, we have to also have that now I'm doing this, I'm continuing, and all the time I am keeping the distance. And this is something that you have to do. The same thing with an axe, and the result is only that the person is perhaps missing some limbs or head, but end result is otherwise the same. When you get a chance to train with the best possible training equipment in the world, and that's another human being, make sure that you have that response. They're not just standing there holding the pad, so then you get the ability to keep the distance, hit as hard as you can, and then see the results. Hit like, hit subscribe, and follow us for more.